Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. In this video, I'll show you how to view and save password in Microsoft Edge. Firstly, you have to open Microsoft Edge, then go to the three dots option, select settings from the drop down menu. Here you can see the option password, click on this. Here is the list of your passwords and website that is saved to your Microsoft Edge. You can click on this icon to view the password. You can also add password. To add password, you have to give the some information. For example, you have to give the URL of the website, then the name of the website. You have to provide the username and also the password. Click on the save. As you can see, the password is added to the list. Here you can also view the password. That's how you can view and save your password in Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching.